Great service, great service. Man, probably finna do something for the clothing brand or do something to the car, man. Whichever one we get into, man. That's it. Y'all boy, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man, and enjoy the video. I pull it up, nigga.
Sipping on syrup, posting the trap with cuz your bitch at tech like what was the word? And I ain't no picture, but a young nigga do get fly as a bird. And you can call me G Herbert the way I made it 392 word.
Alright, so you two, man, finna see that 4-wheeler. Talking about that blue. That shit hard. Teal on.
I don't even know how to ride.
It manual, ain't it? Yeah, you're cook. Oh yeah, that next right there.
Nick,
Yeah, they gotta be next right there.
good one.
Huh?
Good one.
And I get my license. I say you want a can now, no? Dirt bikes and shit. Bigger 4-wheeler.
She said car like 30%.
She didn't say 30, nigga.
I mean, what she say then?
She said like 5.
Well, she said 30%.
No, she said 3. She said 3%. Yeah. Dude, dude. Do you not know how much 30% is for a car fee? Oh my god. Bro, I told you. I told you, bro, it's over for 30.
No, it's 3.
Oh, I thought she said 30.
No.
Oh, shit.
They don't know how to drive it. Yeah.
You know how to drive?
No, I don't know how to drive myself. I know when to change gears,
Yeah.
but I don't know when to hit the clutch and all that. Like, you know, like paddle shifters. Still like that, I can do that. Oh, shit, Suzuki. Are you getting a helmet, bro? Are you getting a helmet, bro? I got so used to Cavion stuff, bro. I just thought that it was gonna be so loud, bro. Yeah, they'll be rolling down the street in neutral.
I want that big ass Polaris in there. Manual automatic. I want the manual. I don't know, I didn't even look at it like that.
It shouldn't be hard to learn, bro.
Nah, especially about riding it.
Yeah. I know I can listen to it when it change the gears. It just when to hit the clutch.
I think you just gotta hold the clutch and you just send it. I know your first shift gonna be down for first gear. The rest gonna go up.
Damn.
I mean up, down. First gear gonna be up, the rest gonna be down. Or maybe down, up.
Oh, nigga. What?
Dude, when you go in first gear, you gonna shift it.
Hold on, bro. Let me go look at it, bro.
The little kick thing, the little shift on the side.
Aren't you supposed to shift up? What? You supposed to shift up. Up, and then when you want to drop a gear, you shift down.
Oh, nigga, all the gears not up.
What?
All the gears not
Wait, it don't even show you what gear you in, do it. Oh my god, we're cooked. No, we not, bro. Oh, at cook.
straight. What that is? What that is?
How we trying to gear it? Alright.
Clutch.
Yeah, I better throw Nick on there. No, I could easily change the gear. It's just not knowing when to press the clutch and shit. Stall out so much, bro. Nice ass sauce on it. Shit, dude, I was looking at it first. Yeah, I thought you was getting.
That look too thin.
Shit, I don't know what that is, but. Oh. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, the bike I was looking at that more slow. Yeah. It's like a. Yeah. I looked at the 0 to 60 on this at 4.1. I was starting. Yeah, I was starting to change my mind on it. Damn, what you doing this right here?
I ain't never seen no shit like this.
Look at the steering wheel. That shit don't need to look comfortable to drive. So it's a 5-speed. Got 1 down and 4 up.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
And neutral is between first and second.
Huh?
That's stupid.
What the fuck?
How much shit did you really understand what she said?
I'll show you ass
I think you just signed your life like that, bro. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. I don't remember shit he said about that car. I was just signing shit. Yeah. Do you know something I did? You know something I did? I bought it without test driving. I just thought about that. Is it already all motor? Is it all motor?
What that mean?
It's not boosted. Like it ain't got no supercharger or turbo.
You didn't hear that shit when it turned on?
Nigga, you can't hear a supercharger when it turn on.
I'm pretty sure they not sending that big aftermarket. It'll be brand new.
Dude, no, dude. Like, you know how a ZL1 comes supercharged?
Yeah. Nah, they be on custom.
Yeah, that one.
Supercharged Raptor.
Oh, yeah. Or turbocharged, so you know. No, like EcoBoost Mustangs come turbocharged.
Yeah.
That's not all motor.
If they don't say EcoBoost something Raptor,
Yeah.
they just say special edition.
Type shit. That what that knowledge is. I was gonna say they gotta let the air at the time. Going to close shit.
It's right there. But see the tires. Only thing is she let the air time.
How you do that? I thought you need like the tire thing to do that.
What tire thing?
You don't need like the little
No, you do that with anything.
Oh, you pushing it to the side.
No, just push it in. The needle right there.
Oh. I ain't know that. That shit stink, bro. Probably do a little more.
Close.
Yeah.
Close.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Wow.
Pull that muffler off right here and you'll be alright. So you just pull your muffler off right there, you'll be alright. Huh? So it's all set up.
Hell no.
You just gonna go naked. We'll be alright and lie out coming down the street.
That bitch ain't gonna look good for a phone.
Huh?
That bitch ain't gonna look good for a phone. Just a skinny ass bike.
Hit that little 2-hour screw back. Alright, how you doing, Kyle? How you doing, bro?
That doing music over there some shit, bro. You gotta stop that shit. At the crib.
And my leg, all leg goes to the clutch too early.
Where is it?
Don't do that. Well, I'm moving over here.
Hey, where you going?
Oh, you don't want down? You don't want down?
Nah, I'm finna hop on. We got a lot of training to do, don't we?
I told you I made the first ever stall out.
Okay.
Okay. You don't show it, do it.
Come off too quick.
I'm assuming he don't know how to go in reverse. Throw some paddle shifters on there and I got it, bro. That's all I need.
Oh, you need it up here where you...
Yeah, I need paddle shifters. That's all, bro. Nick can't lunch, bro. Let me get out of the way.
He finna kill us. You red lighting.
Get the motherfucker.
You red lighting.
Get the motherfucker.
Red lighting. You red lighting, man.
Little rabbit.
Oh, wait on the flag.
Chibite.
Dude, I was...
It doesn't look too good.
Nah.
I don't think he seen the light, cause that bitch was on for like 2 seconds. He shifting.
Yeah.
He gonna get whooped like that. he shifting quick enough. Hell nah, that don't work.
Hey, why that man keep getting closer and closer? Oh, God.
You can't. I know what he doing. When it come up, he hesitating on the shift until
Yeah. He just trying to come back down, yeah. But this dump. They ain't looking too bright. It good when he cruising. It look good when he cruising, but when he really get on the gas, he ain't.
Man, how Roger just sitting there?
Yeah.
He can't sit in there.
Yeah, like he sound good when he coming down the street, downshift. That sound like he know what he doing. But when you put that man on the track,
Got a problem.
yeah, I don't know. Ah, hell no. Nigga. But see, the thing is, when you shift, you gotta let off the throttle. You know that? You know that?
That kind of speed shifting if you don't get off throttle, it's just because you don't have to get off throttle.
Yeah.
Because you gotta count, like really in racing, you gotta count the time that you instead of just but that motherfucker ain't better do that because you can be like this right here. See? He shifted.
$1,000 gone, bro. Damn, my definitely just went into the ditch.
He's just like this right here. We ain't here.
Is that just on one wheel? Man, 3-wheel, I'm tripping.
I don't like that either. I don't like the one gonna tell me what gear I'm in.
Yeah.
You like it, you don't like it.
See, he's not using the clutch. He's just shifting it. Do make a difference.
Like, you can mess it up though.
Man, sometimes you'll burn the clutch up like that.
Yeah.
It mean no clutch, it mean no changing gears.
If you want to sign that waiver and shit, hey, you taking racing applications, I'm taking driver applications for racing shit. I ain't want to ask, I know you on your last lifestyle. I don't want to be the reason. But if you want to sign that waiver, then hey. Man, we can talk about it.
A young man can drive. He said we talk about it though. I don't think he interested.
I don't think you like this.
Yeah.
I mean,
Go get his ass.
Hey, I'm just, I don't want to walk though.
I sure don't want to walk all the way down though.
Now I had to get all the way down there.
You slow down, you ain't gotta keep letting go of the clutch. Just hold it all the way down. All the way down? Yeah, you ain't gotta let go of it when you slow down.
No.
I'm sweet.
No.
He's
sweet, boy.
Oh, Lord, mercy.
Mama.
What the fuck did Nick just do, bro?
I got a shield too? No. Bro, god damn! Oh, boy.
Part 47. You gas.
Brand fucking new, it better be charged.
What you think you're gonna do? Whoa. Check out the rims. But alright though, man. That's it for the day, man. Make sure y'all boys stay tuned for the vlog. I mean for the build. Now it's that blushing cause I showed the rims. And going in the mirror. Yeah.